Hey guys, just wanted to let you know that, well, I'm back. And I know it's been over a year since I uploaded my last video, and so I decided to, you know, start up my YouTube channel back up again. And so I decided to make another speed build. Um, the reason why I got back into YouTubing again is because I got myself a new laptop, which will allow me to you know, produce more videos more often instead of just using my crummy old computer that everyone else uses. So I'll have more time to do more videos, and I hope you guys enjoy. See you guys later. Bye-bye.